The IMD has issued an orange alert for Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh over probability of heavy rainfall in the region today. Guwahati will experience generally cloudy skies with a few spells of rainfall likely to occur. Temperatures clouds soar as high as 35 degrees Celsius and may later drop to around 28 degrees Celsius. Shillong will also experience generally cloudy skies with periods of rainfall likely in the city. Maximum temperature will touch 25 degrees Celsius and the minimum will stay at 18 degrees Celsius. Agartala is also likely to receive spells of rain or thunder showers with cloudy skies prevalent throughout the day. The temperature will range between 27 to 35 degrees Celsius. Rains are set to continue in Arunachal amid partly cloudy skies. Maximum temperature in Itanagar will be 34 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will stay at 27 degrees Celsius. Overcast weather will also prevail in Imphal with a few spells of rain being expected. Temperatures will stay fairly between 23 to 27 degrees Celsius range. Aizawl will experience partly cloudy skies with 1 or 2 spells of showers being expected. Maximum temperature will be 30 degrees Celsius. Minimum will stay at 23 degrees Celsius. In Kohima, the IMD has forecasted partly cloudy skies with possibility of rain or thunder showers towards the evening. Temperature will range between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Light to moderate rainfall is expected to continue in Sikkim. Temperature will fluctuate between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. And moving our focus now to the national weather forecast. Delhi will witness generally cloudy skies with light rainfall expected in the national capital region. Maximum temperature will reach 36 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will stay at 28. Heavy rainfall is expected in Mumbai today. Temperature will range between 24 and 28 degrees Celsius. Kolkata will witness generally cloudy skies with possibilities of rainfall. Temperatures will range between 27 and 32 degrees Celsius. Chennai will be mostly under partly cloudy skies. No rainfall forecast has been issued so far in the region. Temperatures could rise up to 35 degrees Celsius and might later drop to 28 degrees Celsius. And we now take a look at weather forecast of our neighbouring countries. Bhutan capital Thimphu will experience forecast weather with periodic spells of rain scattered throughout the day. Maximum and minimum temperature will be 19 and 24 degrees Celsius respectively. Overcast weather with widely separated spells of thunder showers is expected in Myanmar. Temperatures will range between 24 and 28 degrees Celsius. Cloudy and humid weather is likely in Nepal today with rain and thunder showers likely. Maximum temperature will touch 27 degrees Celsius and the minimum will stay at 22 degrees Celsius. Bangladesh capital Dhaka will experience cloudy weather with thunderstorms in the morning followed by light showers in the afternoon. Temperatures will fluctuate between 27 and 31 degrees Celsius.